If you're PCSing to Tyndall Air Force Base or relocating to Panama City, Florida, you need to see what's happening in Titus Park. Today, I am with Najeeb Yousef with DR Horton. Thank you so much, Najeeb, for joining me on this little conversation about Titus Park today.
Thank you for having me.
Before we really get into some of the questions about Titus Park, I want to know a little bit about you. How long have you been with DR Horton?
For almost 3 years now.
So same as me, we were like newbies together. And Najeeb actually came to one of my very first open houses, and he was just such a gentleman, truthfully, and was actually really knowledgeable about all the DR Horton homes and super helpful, always willing to answer calls. So thank you so much, Najeeb, for always being just on top of it. I appreciate you. Titus Park, can you tell us where it is?
So Titus Park is right off of 231 on Highway 390, 12 miles from Tyndall, 30 to 45 days.
Okay.
You have Publix just right up the road, 2 minutes away.
And we've got downtown 23rd Street, everything maybe 10, 15 minutes away, max. It's super close to everything. Can you tell us about what floor plans are currently available here?
So we have 2 levels of finishes. We have traditional and we have express. In our traditional, we have the ret floor plan. That's 4 bedroom, 2 bath at 1835 square feet. We have the Victoria floor plan. That's 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath at 2,300 square feet. And then we have the Kennedy floor plan. That's 5.3 at 2,200 square feet.
Okay.
And then in express, we have the Jemison. That's a 3.2 at 1,600 square feet. The Isle, that's a 4.2.5 at 1,900 square feet, and the Cali, that is a 4.2 at 1,800 square feet.
Okay, so you were talking about express. What's the difference between express and what's the other option?
Traditional.
Okay.
So the traditional, like we have in here, will have the crown molding in the ceilings. We'll have higher baseboards, trim on the cabinets, 9-foot ceilings. In here, they'll have hardy exterior. The express will have small things throughout, like slightly shorter baseboards, slightly thinner floorboards, but it's all the same material. The biggest thing is 8-foot ceilings instead of 9-foot. You'll be missing the trays, and then in here, the exterior is vinyl.
And as far as the exterior being vinyl, is there a stage when people can choose the color of the exterior, or is it kind of you pick a floor plan and you get what you get?
So if you get in early enough in the construction process, you will have the chance to choose a couple options like exterior colors and flooring colors and things like that.
Are appliances included, blinds? What's automatically included?
Like your range, your stove, your microwave, those are all included. Your dishwasher's included. And then basically everything that you see in the house right now besides the washer, dryer, fridge, and blind.
Okay, and then any smart home features?
Yes, so we have a Sky doorbell and an IQ panel. With this panel, you can arm and disarm your security system. There's 2 separate ones. Armed away, let's say you're going away for the weekend, you don't want anyone in or out. Then motion sensors turn on, doors lock, no one in or out. Arm stay, and the motion sensors stay off so that you can move around about your house. And then you can lock and unlock your door, which doesn't really mean anything from here, but from the app on your phone. Let's say you get a package, you're gone, you want your neighbor to bring it in, you can unlock the door, let them put it in.
I love that. I can see it looks like it records.
Yeah. You turn it off so you see if you turn it on and off.
Is DR Horton running any incentives right now?
Right now on FHA, USDA, and VA loans, we're offering rates as low as 4.99%, and on conventional, offering rates as low as 5.5%. We also have an option right now, an adjustable conventional loan rate that starts as low as 3.875.
Oh, wow.
And then also offering closing costs.
Right. So basically, if I want those amazing interest rates, I need to use your lender.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me about the HOA here in Titus Park?
The HOA dues are $54 a month, and what that includes is your sidewalks, your street lights, the maintenance of common grounds. You also have a pool and a dog park, and you have bathrooms and stuff out there.
Can you tell me about the other promotion that I always get tongue-tied over it? Pick a lot, pick a plan, what? You tell me what it is.
So right now, they're just allowing people to customize a little bit more. Usually we're just a spec home builder, we build and then sell the homes as they come along. Right now we're giving the option to pick a specific lot that you want and put a plan that we offer on that lot.
So let's say I wanted to go that route. When do I get to move in?
17 weeks.
17 weeks?
Mhm.
Okay, that's pretty great. Thank you so much, Najeeb. I really, really appreciate your time. But we're not done yet because I want you to show me around. Ready to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Whether you're buying your first home, relocating to Panama City area, or looking for new construction near Tyndall Air Force Base, Titus Park is worth a serious look. If you have questions or want a buyer's consultation before you visit a model home, reach out. I'm Michele, your advocate, advisor, and ally in real estate, and I'm here to make sure you go into this process informed, not overwhelmed. See you in the next one.